we had an update. No? Okay, this is already updated version. No? So you can install from here also. Then these are the software I was telling you. What PLS, SAM in R. If you want to explore, you can look at the folder. Okay, at the bottom, we have some Excel templates. Later, when we do the hands-on, we will use, for second order, we will need to calculate AB and CR. We will use this. I've also added one more calculator here for mediation effect size. Previously, we don't have a calculation for effect size in mediation, but now we can do that. And now we can do that. Okay, so those are Excel files you have in the folder. Okay, so those are for materials you already have. Okay, now we come back to our discussion. Okay, yeah. So for comparison between your partial covariance-based SAM and variance-based SAM, this is side by side. This is a paper called Urbach and Ahleman in 2010. They put this as objective, approach, assumption, everything. But I have highlighted 3 components which are important for you. Okay, number 1 is model complexity. Right? Large complexity models can work with PLS, but for covariance-based SAM, small to moderate complexity. I already mentioned 7 construct, 50 items. Anything bigger than that is already considered complex. Okay, number 2, sample size. Here they are still going back to the issue called power analysis. So we have a software called G-Power. Based on G-Power, you can calculate the minimum sample size. Any sample size larger than that number is okay. Anything less than that number, no good. Okay, no good. That's how we decide on the sample size.